Connie and Shona Ferguson serve major love goals. After 16 years of marriage, Connie and Shona Ferguson are completely besotted with each other. It's like they're a pair of teenagers who just met a week ago. It's our super sweet 16. Hubby at Ferguson_films, you mean more to me with each year of us growing together. If this is what 16 feels like, I am so looking forward to the rest of our lives together, Connie said when celebrating their wedding anniversary. Connie and Shona are a powerhouse to be reckoned with in the industry, and even after having 2 children and a grandson, it's evident that they prioritize keeping the flame alive. And, rightfully so. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.